Hi, so welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you all about Notion. Yes, under 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. When you click on the Google and type there Notion, you'll see this is the interface that will be there by clicking on their website. You can also download their versions available for Mac, for Windows, etc. But I'm using their website. You'll get a pop-up also here that will be showing you whether you are a student, a professional, or something else. So this was the note that I made it, and I really want you people to learn that how you can create notes with the help of Notion. And they are not just notes, they are everything that you need in a note. So there are so many commands, so many things that you can integrate into this one note, and everything dynamically, interactively, everything will be there, and that is going to change your life a lot. Let's talk about first thing. As you can see here, this is the banner image or the banner side of your note that you can add if you want to generate, or if you want to add something, you can just click here and add it. After that, you'll see this is the title of the page. So I'm going to click on the title. So I'm going to write here the title, for example, the computer, right? I'm going to write about something related to computer. So for example, I'm going to click here and I'm going to write here something. Complete their task, etc. Now, by just clicking and selecting on the text, you will see there are multiple options that will come here: bold, italic, text color. You can also change. For example, you want to change with this purple color. You also can have multiple things over here. But just clicking on that, you'll see improve your writing. By clicking on that, it is crafting and it is processing and it is going to change your writing and improve that, right? And by clicking on that, you will see there are multiple options which will be there. So this is the way it has come. The computer is a machine that has used it to compute the task. Now it has actually used it here the commas which were necessary, and I haven't used that. I'm going to click here. Now by clicking on that, you will see the multiple options that will be there: proofread, explain. You can also add comments. You can also add links also if you want to integrate something into that particular page. Apart from that, let's talk about the commands. By clicking on the slash, you will see that there are multiple options over here. By clicking on the AI image, you can add your links of the images. For example, by clicking on link, you can embed any image by clicking on unsplash. For example, I'm going to write here computer. You'll see the images of computer will be there. So I'm going to choose this one. And by choosing here, it will actually be integrated in your note like that. Okay. Let's move ahead with another commands. You will see here that you can write text, headings, you can change, you can write bullet list like that. Now this is showing a sample also. Now this is the numbered list that you can create. You can also create a to-do list. Now this is the way you can track also. By clicking on to-do list, you will make a to-do list that is actually dynamically working like an app for you. So you can write here something related to what you want to do in your daily routine, or something that you want to create in your to-do list. That will dynamically help you. Another one is a toggle list like that. It will come and everything will be shown here. Apart from that, you can also embed a sub page inside this page. For example, you have created a document or document on a Notion. You can also embed it here. By clicking on call out, you can also make this something which will appear like this, which is like call out, like something which is very important and you have to check it. Then there is a quote version that you can create quote like that, which you can see here also. By clicking on table, you can create a table. So by clicking on link to an existing page, you can also click on that. By clicking on media, you will add image and a video also. So by choose a video, for example, I'm clicking on choose a video. You can upload the videos that you have. Then you can click on link and you can embed a video. For example, I will go somewhere and I'll have that link and I can put that link here. It works with YouTube, Vimeo, and others also. In this way, if you are learning something from YouTube and you want that link available on your note, you can definitely have that into your note, because it will help you after some days to go through that note, go through that video again. By clicking on another command, as you can see here, you have to choose a video to embed it. Let's move ahead with another command over here. By clicking on plus, you can see that this is the way you can add a new line. Another way is by adding an AI chart, visualization, AI slides. Now you can create a presentation slide summarizing this page, whatever that you have created. And you can also add a AI image, which is already shown, a web bookmark of your link, the website that you have visited, any file that you want to add, the code that you want to do, and any audio that you want to enter. For example, I'm clicking on an audio. You can choose a file, you can add an audio file by clicking over here, or a link that you want to go with that. After that, I'm clicking on here again, and I'm clicking on here the commands. You will see a multiple number of commands here, but basically the important one are the columns, the toggle ones, the buttons that you can create. In this way, it is not just a note, it is a dynamic note. For example, you have a web page. Have you seen a web page? Definitely you have seen. This is the dynamic version of a note, like a web page, which is having buttons also, interaction also, navigation also, and so many things. And if you want to add something related to your but something from your another app that you have installed it on your site, that you can also use here by clicking on those app integration. For example, your Word file, your Monday projects and tasks into your Notion. Then you can simply click over here and you can download it. By clicking on that, you can download this, import or export it. By exporting it, you can export CSV file, PDF file, and everything will be there exported. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and in this way you get a complete idea of how to make a note in a Notion and how Notion actually works. Thanks for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next video. Do subscribe.